Hi guys, welcome back to another video and a very special video today because इंडिया में चूँकि पॉप कल्चर आ रहा है, we all know that India is getting most of the pop culture and not really the car culture or anything. पॉप कल्चर में अभी कुछ नई गाड़ियाँ अपने पास आ चुकी हैं and this is that famous set in which we finally get to see this cyberpunk Porsche. So I think I've seen this selling all along. In fact जब मैं मुंबई गया था तो I met a small child there. You might watch the video of the meet. उसने ये अच्छे खासे पैसे देके ये सेम गाड़ी खरीदी थी. इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग ही हैड पेड 2 or 3,000 एंड ही वाज स्टिल हैप्पी. 2024 की 2024 की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, तब तक ये नहीं आई थी, सिर्फ इम्पोर्टेड ही मिल पाती थी एंड आई थिंक ही स्पेंट अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी एंड ही वाज स्टिल हैप्पी. ही सेड इट्स अ गुड डील, यू नो, आई गॉट दिस एंड ही वाज हैप्पी अबाउट इट. सो यस, दैट शुड गिव यू एन आइडिया कि आज जो गाड़ियाँ अपने हाथ लगी हैं, दोज आर सम नाइस वंस. सो I also saw a lot of your comments when I had posted this on Instagram. I think Instagram पे मैंने एक टीज़र दिया था, वहाँ पे कुछ अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स आए थे. People were writing कि this is finally one set जिसमें कि सारी गाड़ियाँ आप ले सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं है कुछ भी skip करने लायक. I was not 100% sure about it because I had not laid my hands on the set, right? So I did not know. बट जब मेरे हाथ में आया है ये सेट तो आई थिंक आई कैन अग्री विद दैट बिकॉज दिस पोर्शा, आई थिंक इट्स सुपर हाइप्ड, एवरीवन वांट्स इट. देन वी हैव गॉट दिस फाइनली. इस बार टॉप गन की अपने को वो एरोप्लेन लाइक यू नो उसका फाइटर जेट मिलता है. तो ऐसा वो दिमाग खराब किया है हॉट व्हील्स ने बिकॉज व्हाट दे डिड वाज कि लास्ट जो आया था सेट उसमें दे रिलीज्ड अ फाइटर जेट बट दैट वाज नॉट टॉप गन, दैट वाज जीआई जो. एंड टॉप गन का क्या था तो पोर्शा थी. सो व्हेन दिस केम आउट द फर्स्ट टाइम आई सॉ दिस आई वाज लाइक ओके यस, आई थिंक नाउ आई हैव 2 फाइटर प्लेन्स, मे बी बोथ ऑफ देम आर टॉप गन. बट देन आई सडनली रियलाइज दैट नो, अमंग द 2 टॉप गन vehicles I can call, one is a plane and one is a car and the second plane it's a GI Joe anyway. But this is nice. This is the FA-18E Super Hornet and finally I think it's good to see that I've got another aeroplane in my collection. So slowly I've managed to build a mini airplane collection thanks to Hot Wheels and their pop culture series. Also fighter airplanes remind me that we have been through some turbulent times recently. I've also paused my video posting and all. I'd made a post on Instagram also. I was unable to post it on YouTube. I had missed out on it. So if you were connected to me on Instagram, you might have seen it. Especially if you've been living in North India, I totally understand that the situation has been very, very, very tense. Luckily, what I've read the news probably 20 minutes before making this video is that the United States has mediated a ceasefire. So hopefully no more of those nightmares of those drones and all. But still, I mean, it does give you an idea that how delicate times are. And up till 2-3 weeks back, everything was normal. Then that incident occurred and then all of this. So I hope you guys are doing well. Your mental health is good because what happens is that in situations like these, if you're living in that part, then that is the worst. Even if you are not, then watching the news constantly, it can lead to anxiety, fear, depression, a lot of the things combined. So I hope you are utilizing this time to spend it with your hobby, do things which make you happy. And of course there is this major challenge of being productive all the time, but it's okay to give yourself space is what I'll say. So I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know how you guys have been doing. I'm sorry I was unable to check up on you. I also had a few plans which were vehemently disturbed by the way things happened. Anyway, coming on to the 4th car in this, we've got the Batman one. This is the Batman Forever Batmobile, and I'll be honest with you, this also looks pretty normal in pictures, but in hand it looks a lot better. So I'll show these to you in detail. And finally the last one, and also this feels to be the heaviest in hand, will definitely weigh all of them at the end. This is the Action Comics number 1 Action Sedan. So very cartoon styled car, nice, heavy, color is nice and bright, it's green. So maybe we'll start off with this one. We'll look at this in detail and then at the end we'll finally take the weight of all of them and see how they are. Price, maybe we'll start with the price. Month and year of import, this is 325, which means March 2025. Price is 549, which is the present MRP for all the Hot Wheels premium castings in India. So this is the first one. Over here you can see that we've got the DC logo, we've got metal on metal written. Over here we've got Real Riders written, which means that metal body, metal chassis and rubber tires. Finally, if you look at it from the side is actually very nice. I really like how it looks from the side, very cool. The strokes, the pencil strokes which these comics have, they add a very nice and unique touch to it. It is like nothing else in your collection. at least in my collection. I'm not really sure if you've got a lot of comic themed cars. Now we have a look at it from the front. The classic grille of these kind of cars which you used to see in our, not in our childhood actually, these are pretty vintage. Even our childhood did not have cars of this shape, but yes, the vintage style cars, that classic shape. The headlamps also very nicely done, and from the side, I think I forgot to tell you, but the wheels, the white walls and all of it, that looks so nice. You look at the base, the color of the base is proper metallic, so that is interesting, and very good details at the base. This is one thing you will definitely agree and appreciate. Front and rear, you've got the chrome bumpers, so chrome bumper detailing is very good, and you've also got a little bit of detailing for the tail lamps. All in all, I think you might not be very fond of this casting when you look at it in photos or anything, but when you look at it in real life, you'll be pleasantly surprised. So this is number one. This is the Top Gun Maverick FA-18E Super Hornet, and now I'll just drag it back a little, because over here, if you can see, it says warning, choking hazard. So if it says warning, choking hazard, it means that it has got some kind of movable part, because this warning is at the front. Usually if it had only the regular parts, then this would be at the rear. One of the main reasons why this is written is probably because this has got a stand of its own. You get a special stand to keep this aeroplane on. Even if it has any other parts, we'll check. I haven't really opened it until now, so we'll have to check. Other than that, you only get the metal on metal logo here, because this one does not have tires, so it does not get the real rider badging or anything. Color scheme is very nice, quality is very good. Of course, it's a proper metal aeroplane, small sized, well detailed. Hot Wheels does a good job with the paint and details. I don't really know too much about aeroplanes to speak a lot about it. I just think it's a good one, and it's a unique addition, nice addition to my collection. And it's a proper pop culture vehicle, because you know, if you're collecting Hot Wheels for cars, then maybe this is not exactly a car, but even as an aeroplane, it's not disappointing. It's something I'm happy to have in my collection. Third one is this is the Batman Forever Batmobile, and I absolutely love how heavy this is. I'll show you the weight at the end. You check out the matte black paint, that is so amazing, and also you look at the wheels on this. I really love the wheels on this, and also the length of the car. It is so nice and big and huge. Front details, I would say they are very good for a Batmobile. I mean, by Batmobile standards, this is as good as it gets. Also, over here you can see the vents or something. I think that's nice. The base is also black in color in this, and I think the rear has to be one of the most iconic bits of any Batmobile, because that classic shape that is present, and also that afterburner kind of a special long exhaust that is there. So very cool. I love it. And finally, the last one for today is the Porsche 930 from Cyberpunk 2077. So as I said that this is a very popular casting. I mean, I know we all are mad after Porsches, so people always liked this, but the fact that this was from Cyberpunk only increased the hype a lot more. And the wheels are very nice, the side decals are very nice, the shape, overall the shape of the car, very well replicated. Color scheme is of course very good. Paint finish, side decals, all of it are on point. Now we come on to the back. You look at the classic ducktail kind of spoiler at the back, and also the tail lamp detailing, that is very well done. Number plate area also, you look at it. However, I think it is the front end, that truly perfect front end, which steals the show with the classic tinted headlamps, great details all around. Even on the windshield, if I tilt it a little, you can see Porsche badging on the windshield. Over here at the bottom, you can check out the number plate details, and eventually at the bottom you can check out the metallic base, which is black in color. Now we'll quickly take the weight of all these models. So this one, it feels heavy, the Batmobile feels heavy, the Action Comics Action Sedan feels heavy. I think it will be interesting to see which one among these is the heaviest. So from last time, I know this much, that usually the planes are the lightest. So I'll first put the plane only, and you can see it's actually pretty light. This is like 55.5 grams, which is considerably light for a metal plane with a plastic base and a laminated card. Now we come on to what I think is the second heaviest, which is the Porsche 70.8, which is 71 grams. So 71 grams is actually pretty good, because at the end of the day, the Porsche is a small car. It's a lightweight sports car. So considering how sleek and small this car is, 70 grams is a lot of weight for that 71 grams. And that really feels heavy in your hand. Then we come on to the Batmobile. This might be equally heavy, or maybe a little less or more. Let's see. It's just a little more, it's close to 78 grams. But because this is a bit longer in size, I'll be honest with you guys, in hand it does not feel as heavy as the Porsche. So yes, that is a cool fun fact for you all. And lastly, yeah, this one I told you in the beginning of the video only, this feels very heavy when you hold it in your hand. This is super heavy, super premium. So yes, 87 grams. I really like the paint in this. It is very bright. It's a comic inspired one. The wheels are funky, nice, interesting. So I mean, the other three, I'm pretty sure there will be some sort of demand for these three, because you know, if you like aeroplanes or you like Top Gun, then you'll get this. Batman lovers are way too many out there, so this one everyone will be interested in. And this one, because it's a Porsche, even the real car fans will be interested. This one, of course, the comic fans will be interested. And even if you are not into comics, then I would suggest that if you're finding the set, you can get it, because this one is not really worth cancelling. If you get it in your hands, you will not really be very disappointed. So if you're finding the set somewhere, just go ahead and buy it. Hope you like this video. Hope you find this video helpful. Has this set come to your city? Have you been able to find it? And also the most interesting thing which I forgot to tell you guys in the beginning, this is a 4-car set. So generally we have seen either 5-car sets or a solid case with 1 car. So 4-car was something very new, and everyone was asking me that, is this true? Is there a chase piece? So not exactly, because see, the thing, last time also I told you guys, every pop culture has its own unique card. You know, it's not really written that this is a part of a series or a set or something. So they just put 4 random pop cultures and they put it inside a box, and that is how this is a 4-car set. Let me know which one was your favorite and which one would you love to get. Have you already got it? Let me know all of that in the comments. Thanks for watching.